Namaste and good afternoon, my dear student of class 9. We are in the day 18 compulsory mathematics. Yes. Previously we have discussed about the ratio. Yes, and today we are going to discuss about the proportion. Yes, and ratio and proportion, they are a bit related term, no? And in the ratio, if any term, no, like if the ratio is written as A is to B or not, and if A is to B is the ratio, so we write this in the fraction A upon B. Similarly, in the proportion, we are going to use the such ratios in the continuous type, in the discontinuous type. Yes, we are going to use. And here in the formula, in the definition, I have written that four quantities, yes, A, B, C, D are said to be proportional. That is, they are in the proportion when A upon B is to C upon D. Yes or no? This is in the form of this. We say it as A is to B, as C is to D, and is represented by A is to B equals to C is to D. This is, no, we can write as this, or A is to B and then double oblique line, no, is to form is to C is to D. We can represent in the form of this, and this is the type of the proportion. One ratio is here, one ratio is here, and between we put the equals to sign and then proportion type, no? And these four terms A, B, C, D are there. So this first and last, they term are called the extremities. Yes, and between terms, yes, B and C is there. Yes, and A, B, C, D, E is there. Then A and E are extremities, and between terms they are known as the means of the proportion. No? Yes or no? So in this way, how the proportion and how the ratio are their related terms. Yes, ratio and proportion, they are a bit related to each other. No? That's why the chapter name, it has been given the ratio and proportion. Yes or no? So they are related to. And now, first number, here I have written this. If A upon B equals to B upon C equals to C upon D, that means what? A upon B is here, B is denominator, then B upon C, again C upon D. That means what? This cross one, no, they are the same type or not, and they are called the continued proportion, such type. A upon B equals to B upon C equals to C upon D. We call it as a continuous type, and we rate them at a scale or whatever we like. A, that is A, B, C, D. Except this, we can rate a number, alphabet. Yes, so we rate as a K. Yes, and how to find the value? That is what? While solving that, if we find the value of A, value of B, value of C in form of A, B, and D, then that is what? A bit what? Difficult for us to simplify that. That's why, since it is continuous, that is what? C upon D equals to K, we can write this. Yes, and C upon D equals to K means what? D is there. D is divided, this side multiplied. So we get C upon D equals to what? C equals to DK. Yes, similarly, B upon C equals to K, B upon C equals to K, B equals to C into K. But here it is C equals to DK in the form of D and K. So this B also we are going to write in the form of D and K, no? Then only it is easy for us to simplify. That's why B equals to CK, and we have the value C over here D into K, and that means what? D into K we get DK square. So B equals to what? DK square in the form of D and K. Similarly, A upon B equals to K also. So A equals to DK, and we have the value of B. Yes, so we can write A equals to DKQ. This is, no, this is the formula. Yes, so in this way, that means it is not a formula, but we are going to apply such in the continuous type. That means we are going to write the value of A, B, C, and whatever, that means in the continuous type is there in the form of what? Same type, no? That is DK in the form of D and K, all these three terms. Yes, So this is the continuous type. We are going to solve the question on the basis of doing like this. And if it is the what discontinuous, that means A upon B is here, but what B is not repeated here. That is C upon D. Then E upon F like this, no? That means the term are not repeated. Then we leave as a K and discontinuous. Then A equals to this BK and C equals to DK. We can directly write, and when we simplify this, that means the question, if the question are in the continuous similar type, our proof is going to ask, no? That means question are set on the basis of that. Yes, on the continuous type and discontinuous type. Yes, then only it is possible to simplify. Yes, and now we have the certain properties also. In the properties of the properties of the proportion, I have written 5 here. That is invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, and componendo and dividendo together. Yes, so invertendo, as we know that invert means alternate type or not. Sorry, invert means what? Inverse type, no? Denominator, numerator to the denominator, no? So here it is same way it is used, no? If A upon B equals to C upon D, then inverted we can write, we can invert them, we can what? Interchange the numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator like this. Here also we are going to do. So B upon A equals to D upon C. This is inverted. Yes? Yes or no? And the proof of all these five, no? It is given in the textbook. That's why I am not going to prove them. Yes? It is in the textbook. It is clear there. Yes? That's why without wasting time, just I will explain only. Yes or no? So inverted, we have to invert this. Yes? That is inverse type, no? Yes, denominator to the numerator, numerator to the denominator. We have to think that. Yes. Now, alternando. In the alternando, we are going to alternate the cross one only. Yes, cross one only. That is what? From the left to the right one. No, from A upon B equals to C upon D. That means we are going to what? Interchange this one only. Cross type one. So this C comes to in the place of B and this B goes to in place of C. So we can find A upon C equals to B upon D. This is what? Alternative. That is they alternate between B and C. Yes? The place there. Now component. If A is to B equals to C is to D, then yes, that means when we are going to combine them, yes. So A plus B is to B, C plus D is to D. This is the form of component properties. If it is said, yes. And now similarly dividend. Yes. And in the dividend we are going to what? Divide that. That means what? Minus type. No? Component we are going to plus the first two and ratio of second. Yes. Then ratio of second and third. Sorry, third and fourth. Yes. Plus and with the fourth one. Similarly, here A is to B equals to C is to D. A minus B is to B. C minus D is to D. This is the dividend, no? Dividend properties. Yes. And now here in the fact number, that is component and divided. That means when they are together, no? Yes. If it is said if A upon B equals to C upon D, then we are going to apply this component and dividend at once. That is A plus B upon A minus B equals to C plus D upon C minus D. So these are the 5 properties. Yes, and in the textbook, in the page number 129, the proof is given there. Yes, you can look the textbook for the proof of this, and this proves that means that the proof I am not going to ask in the exam, but that means for the 1 marks type, no, it is said like that means what? If A, B, C and D are in the proportion, yes, proportion, then find invertible properties or alternative or component like this, no, for the 1 marks type question. It is going to ask, yes or no? Now, so in this way we discuss about the properties and proportion. It's that is certain. This is the law, yes, law type, continuous and discontinuous proportion if it is. So how to do that? And then properties is given and 5 properties are here and we just only discuss about it. And the proof is already, that means it is in the textbook and we can easily do that. Yes or not? Yes. So this much, yes, and we are going to discuss about that much only. Thank you.